Hey bloggers, welcome back to my channel and want to start earning commissions with your blog. In this video, I'll show you how to add your Amazon affiliate links to your WordPress site. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to log into your Amazon Ancestry accounts and then find a product you want to promote here. So once you've found your product, you just need to get the link here. So for example, to that one is this cute bear. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna tap on this get link button, and then here you can decide either you want a short link or a full link. So here copy the unique link, and this is the link you'll be sharing on your blog. So here next step is log in to your WordPress dashboard. If you don't have one, you can create a WordPress.com. So here, go to the post section and either create a new post or edit an existing one. So here, when you're in the editor, highlight the text where you want to add the affiliate link. So for example, to that one is this one. I'm just gonna add a title here, which is the Amazon finds. So here, as you can see here, I just need to type on this one. So here the buttons or the code. So I'm going to choose these buttons. And then as you can see here, look for the icon, which is the link icon. So here, this is the link icon. So tap on that one and then paste the link that you've copied a while ago here. So here you can click on the insert edit link button. So it's look like a chain icon. Here you can paste your Amazon affiliate links in the URL box and click apply now. Then now the text is linked to your affiliate product. You can add some text here. So want to make your affiliate link stand out even more, you can also add an image or click on add media, upload an image of the product here. So once you're happy with your post, click the publish or update to make the changes live. So your Amazon affiliate link is now active on your WordPress blog. And that's it. You've successfully added an Amazon affiliate link to your WordPress blog. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more tips on blogging and affiliate marketing. Catch you next time. Don't forget to like this video. Bye!